So one of the questions people ask me a lot when I'm doing driving lessons, especially when they come up to the driving test, is how long have I got for me for manoeuvre on the driving test? So that's what we're going to answer today. So this is the situation then. You're on your driving test and they pulled you over at the side of the road, the car in front of you, and the examiner's going to say to this point here, ahead of us is a car. I want you to get yourself next to the car parallel, reverse back behind the car, finishing reasonably close to the curb within 2 car lengths. Now the 2 car lengths includes this car. That's the maximum. So if you're going back to the point where it's getting to the maximum 2 car lengths, then you're going to have to correct it with a shunt. And what they're looking for is good observations, control the car, slowly going, and obviously get yourself into that position that they're asking for. Now, regarding how long they give you, I'll put a stopwatch on from start to finish so you can see it on the screen how long it's going to take me. I'm guessing maybe 2 minutes, you know, but if it takes longer, it takes longer, and that's what you've got to remember. The examiner's not going to give you an exact time. He'll say, when it's safe to do so, I want you to start the manoeuvre. So it could be quite a busy area, or things suddenly develop where you've got to keep giving way. So don't start feeling the pressure of, oh, it's taking me a minute and a half, I've got to get it done in 30 seconds, because that's not good for anyone. If it takes you 3 minutes or 4 minutes, that's fine, if it's good enough, you know, for a reason. So let's get ourselves moving off. So I'm having a look round. There's a girl going up there, so it's not going to affect us. She's walking away. There's nothing around us, so I'm not going to show a signal, but if I'm driving towards the car and it changed, I'll show a signal to tell them I'm slowing down to stop. So a quick look round again, and I'm moving off, getting myself next to the car. And like I say, the stopwatch is ticking away on the top of there, so you can see how long I'm taking. Getting myself level with the car, select reverse, have a look round, make sure nothing's changed, and take my time. And what I'm looking for is back of the car getting level. So it's not so much showing you how to do the manoeuvre, it's talking about what's going on. And I'm taking my time, I'm not rushing things. And it's like that, as I say to lots of people, if you go slower, you'll do it better, and you'll probably do it quicker in the long run, because if you go fast, you'll end up doing a mistake and you end up doing shunts. So I'm taking my time, looking for the angle to get in. There's my angle, so I straighten myself up with the wheels. I'm looking around again, and I'm heading towards the curb. As I'm getting closer, I'm going to put my lock to the right on. So lock to the right coming in, it's looking pretty good at the moment. And I'm taking my time coming in to start straightening myself up. I'm going to reverse back a little bit more, just so that I can get out easier. Now, I don't know how long it's took me then. If I'm guessing, maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes maximum. But what I'm trying to get across to you is that when you do any manoeuvre, like this went really well, there's no one stopping me, I could do that manoeuvre again in the next 5 minutes in the same place or somewhere else, and there could be loads of people suddenly turn up, like cars and motorbikes and scooters that I've got to keep giving way to. So if it takes you a little bit longer, it takes you a little bit longer, and the examiner's not going to penalise you if you're giving way for a reason. But if you're stopping for people who are like 100 metres away, then they're going to look at you silly at that point. And why stopping? They're not affecting you, because 100 metres is quite far away, and that car coming towards you who's 100 metres away, you might do a left or right turn before he gets towards you, or they might even park up. So give way to people when you're getting close. You know, we're talking about lamppost away, between lampposts. Or say if it's easier to work out, about 6-7 car lengths away. So give way to them when they're getting close, and if they stop, look round and carry on. And remember, they're actually helping you when they're making you give way, because you're slowing you down, it's making you look round. So think of it as a bonus. I hope this helps to identify how long it takes to get a manoeuvre. It does. Fantastic. If you want to watch other videos on manoeuvres, I'll put a couple of videos at the end of this video so you can click on them, and I'll also put a couple of videos in the description below. So take care and safe driving.